Do you still remember this plant? We often picked it when we were children. It's the black nightshade fruit, also known as black nightshade or bitter greens. Why is it called bitter greens? Because its leaves taste bitter. Even cattle and sheep don't like to eat them. Many people also say it's not edible, since it contains solanine. It needs to be processed to remove the alkaloid. So if you don't know how, don't pick it carelessly. It blooms with tiny white flowers, and its ripe fruits turn black. In the countryside, people would harvest it, snip off the tender leaves from the stems, and spread them out on a sieve to dry. Once dried, the bitterness is removed from the leaves. If you come across this plant with round leaves, take a closer look. It is pennywort. Its leaves look just like little round coins, but many people mistake it for Asiatic pennywort. Be sure to tell them apart. Pennywort belongs to the Hydrochio genus. Its leaves shaped like tiny umbrellas. It loves growing in moist, watery places. From a single seed, it can spread into a large patch within a year. Villagers harvest pennywort, wash the dust from its leaves, then spread them out on a bamboo tray to dry, so they can be stored for later use. This wild plant with white fuzz on its stems and leaves, if you ever find it, cherish it. Have you seen it before? It's so thistle, also called limeweed. Why limeweed? Because its leaves and stems are covered with white hairs, as if dusted with lime powder. Sadly, few people know its name today. Back in times of famine, it was one of the wild plants that older generations gathered to stave off hunger. It often grows along rural fields and paths. People would gather, sow thistle, clean it well, then chop the leaves and stems into pieces, or spread them on bamboo trays to dry, turning it into preserved greens. If you see this plant in your area, you should get to know it. It's Ageratum conozoides. In my hometown, we call it stinky leaf. Why that name? Because when you crush its leaves, they give off a strong, pungent smell. As children, we often picked its leaves too. Do you recognize it? Ageratum prefers to grow along farmland edges. It belongs to the aster family, and its whole body is covered in fine white hairs. Experienced villagers collect Ageratum flowers, wash off the dust, and dry them in the sun. Once dried, the strong smell fades away. These leaves are even more fragrant than perilla. If you come across it, pay attention. It's called jalu leaf. Its leaves have a unique aroma, and in my hometown, it's the key spice for stir-frying river snails. Yet many people have never heard of it. You can often find jalu growing beneath bamboo groves in the south. It stays green all year round, spreading into lush clusters. Villagers gather the leaves, wash them clean, then cut them into strips with a knife. Older leaves can be laid out on a tray to dry and stored for later use.